What's up, YouTube? In this video, we'll be unboxing and reviewing the 5.8 Quart Smart Air Fryer by Cosori. This awesome gadget comes in 3 different colors, which include red, white, and black, and it's easily one of my favorite purchases of the whole year. I've left a link for this product in the description below for those of you who want to check out all the specs and reviews, or to buy one for yourself on Amazon. And if this is your first time to the channel, then please smash that like and subscribe button, because we're trying really hard to get to our first 3,000 subscribers, so every little bit helps at this point. And with that all said, let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so this is the box we got from Amazon. It came in really good shape. Let's go ahead and we'll get everything opened up here. And let's see what's all inside. Okay, so it's packaged really well, so it comes with the styrofoam here. Alright, let's see. Okay, over here we've got, looks like the instruction manual as well as the cookbook, or this may just be the cookbook. Yeah, I think this is just the cookbook, so it comes with a cookbook. Alright, let's see here. Okay, here's the actual air fryer itself. Is there anything else in the box, or just the air fryer? I think it's just the air fryer in here. I'll go ahead and I'll pull this out. We'll set it up on the counter so we can get a better look at it. But yeah, this is how it comes packaged. It comes packaged really well. You may have noticed this corner. Our puppies actually chewed on it a little bit, but it didn't damage anything. So yeah, I'll get this pulled out. We'll set it up on the shelf and we'll get a better look at it. Alright, so this is everything that came in the box. It's packaged really simply, so you just get basically the air fryer itself, and then the cookbook over here. You'll notice that there's a few stickers here. We'll need to get these all peeled off. They're on there pretty well. Get that one off. There's quite a few holding the basket in for shipping. We'll get all these pulled off as well. And this one. And then there's a little note up here on the top that says, read the caution sign that's on the back. This thing does get really hot, so obviously you're going to want to read the instruction manual and just make sure that you're using the thing safely, because yeah, it really does get super hot. Let's see, do not fill with oil. This is not a deep fryer. And then danger, do not press the button while moving or shaking the basket. Another thing that is good to know is not to just turn it on as soon as you get it, because there is plastic inside of this basket, so we're going to need to actually take that out. Let me throw all this away. So once you get it, make sure that you open it up here and you see this film that comes on the basket. Just pull that right off of there. Go ahead, and you're also going to want to push this button and pop the basket out so you can get this piece of styrofoam out as well. You don't want any of that in here whenever you're actually cooking, for obvious reasons. So once it's all clean, you can go ahead and pop the basket right back inside. And you'll also notice these strips here, this little piece of cardboard. You're going to want to take that out as well. Yeah, once everything's out, you can go ahead and just pop it back in there, and it should be ready to go. I'm going to turn it on now. Let's just make sure that it's going to work. I'm not cooking anything just yet, but yeah, we'll hit the power button. So it initially starts off at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Let's just check and see how easy it is to change the time and temperature. So time, or temperature, we'll set that down. I usually cook on 370, so let's put that on 370. Let's change the temperature. We'll change it to 10 minutes, and then click start. Okay, it turns right on, works really well, so that's good. Like I said, there's nothing cooking just yet, but I know that these are really good for cooking things like cookies, anything that comes pre-fried already, like french fries, corn dogs, let's see, egg rolls, anything that's pre-fried obviously goes really well in these. Let's check out the cookbook really quickly. So this is the book that comes with it. Let's get it opened up here. And there, let's see. So contact us directly for excellent support. So it looks like they do have really good support. If you have any issues with this product, you know, just call the number on here. So that's that. Let's see here. This is the quick start guide. So yeah, this looks like this will show you how to set up the Wi-Fi connections and things like that. So we'll be using this here in just a moment once we set up the Wi-Fi on ours. So we'll set that back over here. Let's see, then we've got, okay, the user manual was in this little packet, so here's the user manual. Like I said, definitely go through this thoroughly and make sure that you understand how to use this device safely. That way you don't ever burn yourself on it. So yeah, just review each page of this. It's a simple guide. yeah, just go through this really quickly, and then here is the recipe book. So this will walk you through how to cook tons and tons of different air fryer recipes. It has step-by-step instructions for, it looks like things like Santa Maria ribeye steak, and then we've got New York steak. Let's see, we'll just go through a few pages. We won't go through the whole cookbook, but as you can see, you can make all kinds of really cool meals in this thing. Let's see, yeah, like chicken wings and chicken legs and things like that come out insanely great, like perfect on this thing. Let's see here. And another great thing, yeah, that's pretty much it for the recipe book. You guys know how these go, so if you're interested in this, it does come with tons and tons of recipes for you guys. A few important things to note about this unit is that the product is 14.3 inches long by 11.8 inches wide and then by 12.6 inches tall. The basket itself is about 9 inches long by 9 inches wide and about 3.75 inches tall. And this basket is completely dishwasher safe. This display is also slightly angled up to allow for easier viewing of the control panel, and this control panel does come with 11 built-in preset modes for things like steak, chicken, fish, shrimp, bacon, and then a lot more. But yeah, another really cool thing about this unit is that since it's a smart air fryer, you can actually control it using voice commands, using either your Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa device. And if you don't have either of those, you can also just download the VSync app directly to your smartphone. And the app is really cool because it allows you to save all of your favorite recipes and then recall them back later. That way you never forget your favorite time and temperature settings. Or you can even choose from thousands of pre-built recipes that are already within the app. Basically, you just find the one that you're interested in and then click start. What it'll do is it'll walk you right through the setup process. It'll send the time and temperature settings directly over to your air fryer, and then basically once you're ready, you just click the start button. So it makes the entire process super easy for you. And yeah, I couldn't recommend this air fryer anymore. It really is one of the best purchases I've made in a long time, and for those of you who'd like to buy one for yourself, it's available on Amazon, and I've left links to it in the description below. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our next gadget review and giveaway. And until then, my friends, take it easy.